What's going down, YT? What's going down? So, I just came from Target, honey. Listen, my boyfriend just spent so much money and was helping me look for makeup. So, I got this Master Chrome Maybelline metallic highlighter. Honey, it's very cute. It was... Where is it at? I don't see it. I don't know. $13, I think. I could be lying to you. I don't know, but I got this. I got brushes at home, so I just got these little few brushes. What's in here? Angle foundation, blurring brush, shade, define crease, angle liner. This is like $15. Yeah. I got this eyeshadow palette from, where's it from? This was like $20. It's a NYX Professional Makeup. Love You So Much. What's it, Mochi? Mochai? I don't know. It has some really pretty colors in here. I didn't even open it. Girl. And I just called Barrel to tell her that I got makeup to do these videos. And she gonna tell me, I hope that's not really what you called me for. I'm like, girl, yeah. Oh, look at the colors. These are really pretty. Let me see, what else did I get? What else did I get? I love my boyfriend. I got this t-shirt. What else? I got this little e.l.f. cream contour palette. I don't know how much this is. I just know I spent like $150, $200 at Target, like at Target. Like, drugstore makeup is so expensive. Like, don't let it fool you. You might as well go to Mac. I got the same palette, just different colors. One is sleek and chic, and one is electric pastels. I got this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, I think. I don't know, I could be lying. But I wear the color 335. My boyfriend picked this color out for me. Like, he just picked it up and was like, yep, this is your color. I got this NYX Finishing Banana Powder. I got this NYX Matte Setting Spray. I got these little e.l.f. lashes just to try them out. I got this little NYX Cosmetics, like a little lipstick, I believe. And I got some concealer, color 35 Deep. Yeah. And then I got some primer, of course. I get the primer. Yep. The primer base is a 050. Hydrate Smooth Hydrate. I don't know. You know, I'm not a beauty guru yet, you guys. I got the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. And I got the eyeshadow base. So, hopefully, I don't know what else I need. If I need anything else, comment below, let me know. So I can get these tutorials popping. And start trying to actually do makeup, because I'm really interested. And yeah, that was my little shopping haul at Target, honey. Had to go on a little Target heist. And then let me see what my boyfriend got. He's so funny. He got this little plain V-neck. And he got, this is cute. Like, he lucky they only had this size. Like, I was so excited he's seen before me. Little Rolling Stone shirt. And he got a little Selena shirt. You seen this shirt before me too. And we got a new fire stick because we lost that at a hotel. Like, we had went to a hotel and I had forgot it, sadly. So we had to get a new one. But yeah, honey. I have new videos coming out. Ooh, I have a little pimple. Like, I broke out. Like, but I got my hair cut at my boyfriend's barbershop. Do you guys like it? You see my edge up is getting littler. Like, my edge up was pushed all the way back here. Like, he made it come down. So I'm happy. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Thumbs up this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry if I sound monotone. You know, you already know. If you've been on my channel before, you a little subscriber, honey, you already know how turnt I can get. Ow! Because you already know how it get when a bitch get dick. When I bet that fucking dick. When I turn up on that shit. Hey, let me stop. Because I don't want to get demonetized. So now, I don't even get monetized anyway. But, yes, girl. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you bitches in the next one. Love you.